When I got married, I had noticed in a lot of my wedding photos, my teeth were unfortunately getting very crooked, and I did have soreness. It was difficult to eat. I wasn't able to bite into certain foods, so it was very difficult. Once I came into Dr. Levitt's office, he did my x-rays, he did his own exam, not going based off of what someone else had said, and explained to me what my procedure was. I was gonna have to have some bone grafting done on both sides of my mouth. I would in fact lose a couple of teeth, but this is what they recommended, for long term. Dr. Levitt, they're not open on the weekends. He even came in for me on a Saturday for my first procedure. Because I didn't have to work his schedule, he made him available to me and my husband. I came in, I was very scared, but within minutes, him and Caroline had me very relaxed, very calm, and before I knew it, I was up, everything was done, and I was ready to go home. I have 3 implants, 2 on the bottom, 1 on the top of my mouth. So 2013, even though it was a rough year with all of the dental surgeries, implants I had, now I cannot imagine not coming here. My life has changed immensely. I don't have to worry about dental problems, my dental routines. Everything is so much better. My teeth are permanent. I have a great smile. I don't worry about like I did when I look at my wedding photos, all because of Dr. Levitt and his team.